The BoldDesk December 2025 release is here, wrapping up the year with powerful updates designed to boost productivity and streamline support. Let's see what's new. Starting with the chat module, we're introducing the BoldDesk Chat SDK, a game changer for integrating live chat directly into your applications. With this SDK, you can integrate live chat into your Android and iOS apps, enabling real-time communication with support agents. It delivers the full capabilities of the BoldDesk web chat widget right inside your app. That's not all. You can choose light, dark, or system themes, apply your own fonts for brand consistency, and enable push notifications for instant alerts and real-time message updates. The live chat widget now supports client-side JavaScript events, giving you the flexibility to run inline code snippets or external functions. This allows you to implement custom behaviors such as validation, logging, or dynamic UI updates. We've also added widget-specific customization for chatbot name and avatar, so that each widget can display a unique identity in system and workflow messages, creating a more personalized experience. Another significant enhancement is streaming support for AI messages, bringing real-time, progressive rendering for faster and more engaging responses. And when it comes to reviewing conversations, chat transcript exports now include locations and contact messages across all Omnichannel environments and workflow block messages. These improvements enable support teams to analyze interactions and understand conversation flows with complete transparency. Next, moving on to the AI module, we've got some exciting upgrades, starting with the web crawling feature, which is now faster, more flexible, and rock solid in performance. Latency is significantly reduced, crawl quality is sharper, and with new include and exclude filters, you have pinpoint control over what gets indexed. We've added full support for sitemaps and individual URLs, along with options for customizable crawl depth and page limits, giving you ultimate precision. A scheduled resync keeps your data up to date, while enhanced slow scraping support ensures stability even on complex sites. You can now edit and view crawl configurations directly and get clearer status reports for better insights into related web pages. Here's another big update. BoldDesk now supports Microsoft Documents as AI content sources. This means your AI agent and Copilot can learn from your existing files to deliver faster, more accurate responses, making your AI smarter and more helpful than ever. Your knowledge base is now LLM-friendly. We've added support for .md and LLMs.txt files, allowing AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and Copilot to process your content more efficiently. Now, you can view any KB page as Markdown by adding .md to its URL, and append LLMs.txt to your site's root URL for a centralized index of all Markdown pages, making AI-driven experiences smarter and faster. Up next, Integration Module. We have provided side thread support for Microsoft Teams, allowing agents to create private side conversations directly from the ticket details page, perfect for internal collaboration without involving the customer. Every response syncs automatically with your designated Teams channel, ensuring your team stays aligned and always informed. Stay in sync effortlessly, as the Salesforce integration now supports two-way synchronization. This means that any updates made in BoldDesk tickets or Salesforce cases are reflected instantly in both systems, saving time and ensuring your data remains consistent across platforms. Managing documents just got easier with BoldSign. Quickly unlink unwanted files, remove documents in revoked, drafted, or declined states for better control. View all linked documents in one convenient place, giving you complete flexibility and organization. Let's look at the latest updates in billing and subscription. BoldDesk now offers AI add-ons such as AI Copilot, which can be purchased per agent by both new and existing customers. New customers can add AI Copilot to their subscription by enabling the option and selecting the number of agents needed. Existing customers can execute AI Copilot through the Manage Copilot option on their active subscription page. Just enable the feature and choose the required agent count. We've also introduced the AI Agent add-on, available as credit packs. Both new and existing customers can enable the AI Agents option and select the desired number of credit packs. To make sure you never run out of credits, BoldDesk now offers auto recharge for AI Agent credit packs. On the AI Agent credits page, under the Enable Auto Recharge section, you can turn this feature on and specify how many packs should automatically recharge, keeping your AI-powered workflows running without interruption. The Reports module now comes with powerful enhancements to help you make smarter, data-driven decisions. We've introduced 2 new dashboards focused on AI credit monitoring. The first is the AI Credits Consumption and Balance dashboard, designed to keep you informed throughout your billing cycle. You'll see how much you've used, what's left, and even projected trends, so you can plan and avoid unexpected shortages. The second is the AI Credits Usage dashboard, which gives you a clear picture of how credits are consumed over any selected period, whether they're free or paid. This is especially useful if you're analyzing trends for budgeting or forecasting. To provide you with even more flexibility, custom dashboards now include contact and contact group modules. This means you can visualize and analyze customer data that matters most, like tracking engagement by contact groups or monitoring VIP interactions, all in one place. These updates make reporting more actionable, helping you stay in control and make informed decisions with ease. We've introduced some powerful enhancements to the Omnichannel experience, making customer interactions more dynamic and personalized. Catalog template support is now available for WhatsApp integrations with Meta, Gupshup, and Twilio. Customers can browse and interact with product catalogs directly within their WhatsApp conversations, creating a seamless shopping experience. For Twilio WhatsApp integration, agents can now send rich media templates like images, videos, and documents, along with traditional text templates from chats, workflows, and automated messages. This update brings Twilio WhatsApp on par with other providers, giving you more ways to create engaging and memorable customer experiences. Just make sure your templates are approved in the Twilio console, and you can select them directly in BoldDesk when composing messages. We've also added rich survey messages for WhatsApp across Meta, Gupshup, and Twilio. Instead of a plain text link, customers now receive an interactive survey message when a chat closes, making feedback collection easier and more engaging. Workflow-generated messages are now more powerful with support for visual context and file attachments. You can include inline images for instant clarity and attach files like JPG, PNG, GIF, or PDF to enrich automated communications. Another significant improvement. You can now display built-in forms within chat workflows to collect the information needed to process user requests. Submitted details are automatically used to create a ticket, ensuring agents receive complete, structured information for follow-up. BoldDesk also supports omnichannel text input mapping within workflows, allowing user responses to be seamlessly mapped to the correct chat fields. And for WhatsApp integrations, catalog template messaging is now supported in automated workflows, allowing teams to send predefined, personalized product or service updates directly to customers. Next up are the mobile app updates. Shopify integration is now available in the mobile app, allowing agents to view customer and order details directly within tickets. Also, agents can access and share knowledge base articles directly within tickets in the mobile app, ensuring quick responses and better customer experiences wherever they are. Lastly, the admin module provides advanced filtering to the agent list page, enabling you to precisely manage them. Also, utilizing the advanced export options lets you select more columns and include detailed agent information in your files. Just like ticket views, admins can now easily manage activity views under the Manage section in the admin module. Edit, deactivate, or activate activity views without ever opening them. Check out BoldDesk today with a free 15-day trial and experience these updates for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more BoldDesk updates and tips. Thank you for watching.